High SEER, the brand name itself, means High Seasonal Energy Efficiency Ratio. Guangzhou High SEER Air Conditioning Company Limited, located in Guangzhou, and our office located in the first and second floor of this building. Established in 2003 with more than 100 employees and staff. High SEER focus on the innovation and development high quality, customer reliable, low carbon emission heat pumps, air conditioning, and refrigeration system. Taking advantage of the advanced production and professional laboratory, High SEER has successfully established its quality control system from the sourcing of the raw material to the production and the final testing process. Strictly following each quality control steps make High SEER products pass the ISO certification and CE certification. What's more, High SEER product efficiency was certified by TUV, designed and tested according to European standard EN 14511. Factory was audited by Bureau Veritas. High SEER products include air source heat pumps, geothermal ground source heat pump that adopt world-famous parts made by Hitachi or Daikin, Siemens, SWEP, GEA, Honeywell, Emerson, Schneider, etc., with European quality and moderate price, have marketed both domestically and internationally. Our products export to EU, Southeast Asia, Oceania, and other regions. We are looking for local installer, constructor, distributor to join us to develop a mutual beneficial relationship.